What's up, everyone? Here live with our 2-box Bowman Chrome Sapphire break. This is 2021 Bowman Chrome here. I'll give people a minute to hop in here, and then we'll get off and ripping. Alright, looks like we got 6 in here, so I'm going to start ripping box number 1. Alright, 2 Sapphire parallels in these boxes. And 32 total cards. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Box number 1. Rookie and first Bowman color in here, as well as veterans and non-first Bowman prospects. So plenty of mixes for all teams. Box number 1. Let me approve a couple people in real quick. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Good luck. Ryan Mountcastle, rookie. Mojica, first Bowman. Braylon Marquez. Pedro Leon, first Bowman. Luis Garcia. Acosta. Brian Hayes, Sapphire, rookie. Miguel Blees, first Bowman. Campusano, rookie. And Alex Kirilloff, rookie green out of 125 to the Twins. Start that one off in Hulk. Nice hits. Alright, what's up, Dale? How's it going? Jazz Chisholm, base rookie. Manuel Rodriguez, Riley Green, prospects. Chris Bryant, William Contreras. Vizcayano, first Bowman. Ronnie Mauricio and Jeter Downs, Aqua out of 99 to the Red Sox. Nice hits. And right behind it, Edie Cape, Aqua out of 99 to the Marlins. 71 of 99. Tanner Huck, rookie. Jordan Alvarez. McAble, Jordan Adams, Madrigal rookie, Max Scherzer, and yellow, Jarren Duran out of 50 to the Red Sox. A couple nice Red Sox hits here in box number 1. Duran out of 50. Tristan Cassis, Hassan Kim, Matthew Liberatore, Matt Chapman, Jeremy Pena prospects, and Luis Robert base. Alright. Nice start. Box number 1. 4 numbered cards. Alright, box 2. No, this is Luis Rodriguez, Wilman Diaz, Colmenares, Christian Hernandez, Robert Hassel, and orange, Chris Bryant out of 75 to the Cubs. 66 of 75 on the orange Sapphire. Right, Grayson Rodriguez, Shane McClanahan, Josh Donaldson, Jordan Walker, Asa Lacy, green, McAble out of 125 to the Phillies. Austin Wells prospects, and Francisco Lindor. And let me grab some more top loaders here real quick. Alright, Emerson Hancock, and purple rookie Luis Garcia, 25 of 25 to the Washington Nationals. Very nice hit. Purple Sapphire, 25 of 25. Beautiful card. Nice hit to the Nationals. Alright, Jeremy De La Rosa, Freddie Freeman, Garrett Mitchell, Bobby Witt Jr., base Sapphire. And also to the Nationals, Max Scherzer, Aqua out of 99. 33 of 99. Right, Austin Hendrick, Ronald Acuna, and Luis Rodriguez. First Bowman Sapphire to the Dodgers. Right, Ryan Mountcastle rookie, Jarren Duran, and Taylor Trammell rookie to the Mariners. Alrighty, that is the break there. We'll do a quick recap here, and all the base and everything will be sleeved up after the break, so all this will get sleeved up. Alright, a couple notable first Bowmans. Pedro Leon and Miguel Blees. And some vets and rookies. Ronald Acuna Jr., William Contreras, and Ryan Mountcastle ×2. Jazz Chisholm, Sapphire rookie to the Marlins. Bobby Witt Jr., base Sapphire. Edie Cape out of 99 to the Marlins. Scherzer out of 99 to the Nationals. McAble Green out of 125 to the Phillies. Chris Bryant Orange out of 75 to the Cubs. And a couple nice hits here to the Red Sox. Jarren Duran, Yellow Sapphire out of 50. And Jeter Downs out of 99 to the Red Sox. Nice hits. Brian Hayes, base rookie Sapphire to the Pirates. Luis Rodriguez, base first Bowman Sapphire to the Dodgers. Alex Kirilloff, green Sapphire out of 125 to the Twins. And your Hulk Smash hit of the break, Luis Garcia, purple rookie Sapphire, number 25 of 25 to the Nationals. Nice hit. Alright, appreciate everyone hanging out. I will be back here in a little while. We've got a couple, I think 3 or 4 more breaks here tonight, so I'll see you guys in a little while. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.